Diane and Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. It is Monday morning, something a wee bit different for you today. As you know, I've found it kind of challenging the last few weeks. I know a lot of you have been the same. And today I'm going to do a quick upkeep clean. And this is what I always turn to if I'm feeling kind of, I don't know where to start. But this is what I do. And it's basically like a mini weekly home blessing hour. But just doing a few things, I'm only going to be taking 5 minutes, maybe even less on some of them. It really just gets me back into that place of feeling like I am in control again. Now, if you don't want to do this, you can be folding laundry, maybe you want to do a full-blown weekly home blessing hour today, but I'm filming in real time. I'm not doing that kind of YouTube speed cleaning thing. But if you want me to go faster, you have the power. If you click on touch the screen, and there's a little cogwheel with settings, and it says playback speed, and you can speed me up, or you can slow me right down if you need just a wee bit more time. But I'm going to just be going through what I do, because the main thing is that we do our morning routine and our evening routine. And then if you've been on vacation, if things are feeling a bit crazy right now, with graduation coming up, like in our family, or you're just coming out of lockdown, maybe you're feeling a bit out of sorts. This is a great way just to kind of ground yourself again and just do some basic things. And what else was I going to say? No, I'm just going to get started. And I'm really excited because I'm going to a close-up party today. Woo! Anyway, let me get started with my first task. And it's going to be vacuuming, because that's, for me, it's the best thing, just to get the vacuum out. And I'm just going to be doing the high traffic areas here, and I'm only going to spend 5 minutes. As I said, I will be your timer, so get ready to rock and roll. And I plug in the hall, and I just do as far as I can stretch with the cord. So let's go. We'll move into the hall. Let's get underneath here. Okay, still got time left, so let's do a wee bit of vacuuming. Right, moving on to the next one. Let me just get my cleaning caddy. Right, vacuuming done. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give a quick dust in here. First of all, let me put away the vacuum cleaner. Don't leave these things lying out. There we go. Ooh, it's really warm in Denmark today. We're having a bit of a heat wave. Right, so I'm going to do a quick dust, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to set the timer just for 2 minutes and let's see how much we can get done. Right. Right, I'm just doing the flat surfaces, like the coffee table. And I'm not even going to use my pledge. Yeah. Here. There we go. Coming around the mountain. I can actually dust the hall as well, so maybe you've got a different area to do, but really please don't worry about zone work if you've got, you know, as I said, some kind of really challenging week. Just you know, do what you can here, because you know the zone work will always be there for us whenever you are ready. There we are. That's basically it. Right. I'm going to call it that for a bit of dusting. And I don't know why, but it still surprises me that when I come down in the morning, when I go into the living room, I think, oh, it looks really good in there. And well, yes, because whenever we leave the living room, you know, in the evening, we all know that if we've got things in there, or, you know, cups or glasses, or books, or whatever it is, that we take it with us when we go, and it makes such a difference. If you can just do your morning and evening routine and do a proper, you know, pick up and put away, it makes a world of difference. Anyway, let's go next door, because I tell you what, the other thing, oh, here we go. The other thing that we'll look at is papers and documents. I don't really think I've got anything, but just take a wee look. This is where we keep any library books, and it works for us because we know where everything is, instead of having them kind of lying around in different rooms. Everything is here, and I don't have anything to declutter there. The only other thing that I keep in there are these kind of travel souvenirs that I use as bookmarks, but I'll also check my pamper basket. Right, this is my kind of reading chair, and we have another one over there. And this is where I keep my pamper basket, right down here. So it's kind of hidden from the rest of the room. And then in my pamper basket, I just keep anything that I'm reading. I was looking up new recipes in this. Got my little sparkly book for making notes. And things like hand cream and any local newspapers. We don't have any subscriptions. My husband has one to Literary Review, but that's his stuff. That's the stuff that you can see on the piano. But he does his own stuff. I don't, you know, never deal with anybody else's clutter. The kids, they go through their own things, and I deal with my things. But I don't think there's anything really in here. No, but the two magazines, the local newspaper, and this is from like the chemist, the drugstore. I'll probably read those during break today. I'll sit outside and read them, and that will be that. Right, and then let's have a wee look at our list, and I think we'll go into the kitchen. I took a wee look at papers and documents. I've got them ready for reading during my break, and I'm going to do a quick mop. And you know, I like my little scoosh mop. There's no electricity involved, and you can keep the cleaning liquid actually in the wee container here, and it's really speedy. You know, if you spill something, you can just put it on one of the pads and zoom, off you go. So I'm going to, what I always do is I run this in hot water and then put it on the bottom. And normally I would start in the kitchen and work out of the way, but because of filming today, I'll come the other way, okay? So hope you follow me. Anyway, let's do a couple of minutes of mopping, and it will not be more than a couple of minutes. I'll tell you what, let me just get my hot water on it. And my scoosh mop, I keep it on the side of the fridge. I've got one of those really heavy magnets, and it just hangs on the side there, so it's you don't notice it, but it's always available. I don't need to get out the bucket anymore. I used to keep the bucket in the downstairs in the basement, but this is so much easier. Okay, so I've got a hot one here, so let's go that way. Let's see if I can film. Are we filming? Yes. Scoosh, scoosh. Right, just going to the little bathroom here. Scoosh, scoosh. And then I'm going to change the pad before I do the kitchen. Clean. Okay, let me take this pad off and put a new one on, and scoosh. Okay, almost done. I'm behind you, almost. Always feels nice to get this done. And as I said, it just takes 2 minutes. Right. And we are done. Yay! We did it. And the last thing I'm going to do is have a glass of water and sit down and just be for a minute or two. So I hope you enjoy our little reset today. I'm going to be giving you a pom-pom shake. If you enjoy this video, remember and press the like button. I know they don't have a pom-pom button, but we'll just pretend it's a pom-pom button. And for those of you who have been trying to access my blog at the weekend, everything has gone completely chaotic in there. I was moving my blog. I've been doing it for a whole week, moving from one blog platform to another. And I won't go into it, but hopefully it will be fixed soon. So anyway, live long and prosper. May the Danish sunshine be with you. I shall film as much as possible as I can at the close-up party, and I shall see you very soon. Okay, bye for now.